This video's only for people looking for a competent, effective Scrum Master. So if you're not looking for that, keep scrolling. How do you pick out a really competent, effective Scrum Master? Well, entry level, there has to be some validation that they actually know Scrum. First question, have you read the Scrum Guide? Can you name the 14 elements? And if they can't name the 14 elements of Scrum like that, see ya. Second thing, do they name the Scrum values? Can they tell you about the Scrum values and how they work, how they fit together? If they can't even name the Scrum values, second cut point. Third thing, have they any experience at all in delivering something? You cannot be a Scrum Master, in my opinion, if you've never helped ship something solid. You have to have worked in a team delivering something. That doesn't have to be a software team. It could be a hardware team. It could be anything, but you've worked together in a team delivering a usable product. After that, it comes sort of some accreditation. You need to have done some credible course. And for that, I mean a Scrum Master certificate. So either a Scrum.org PSM1 or Scrum Alliance CSM1. I would veer away from any other accreditation about Scrum because they're the Scrum organizations. Now, if you're looking for somebody with a bit more technical chops, somebody who's really done a bit more work on Scrum Mastery, I'd expect some sort of coaching training, facilitation training, some sort of understanding of Kanban, some sort of understanding of metrics, and understanding of flow. Now, they might have read about it. It doesn't have to be going on a course, but they need to have read about it, explored the topic, and be able to describe how they would apply that to help a team be more effective. Ultimately, get your team to have a conversation with this people and see whether they're going to help your team be more effective. Because if they don't fit, you're probably going to get a square peg in a round hole. Look for competence, hire for competence, aim for excellence.